Hello there and welcome to another drink show. This is called How to Make Iced Nestea Dark Lemon Iced Tea. First thing we have to do is you pour the ice cubes into a glass. Otherwise you could use your hand, as here the ice got stuck. And next thing you do is you put in 1 scoop, 2 scoops, and last but not least 3 scoops. Now you put the lid on top and you get the water, you pour it in there, and it is dark. And then you stir it up till it's really dark. And here is your iced Nestea Dark Lemon Iced Original Lemon Iced Tea. Thank you for watching and have a great day, folks. Peace and have a great, wonderful spring and summer.